guys and gals? Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we have a great video for you, but first off I want to get a couple of things out of the way. We have a great subscriber. He has 5 bottles of the ceramic coating that we use that he is not going to be able to use. He will sell them for half price. If you'd like his email address to deal with him, he's a great guy. Let me know if you want that email address. Today we're going to talk about key fobs. The key fob issue that you normally will have will be intermittent. It will work sometimes and it won't work sometimes. Guys and gals, you can do this. Don't be afraid. I'm telling you. The reason that you'll get the intermittent use is because the battery holder, this piece right here, let's see if I can get that up there for you. This actually holds 2 batteries. This is your battery holder right here. It's where the battery sets. The 2 lugs that actually hold it are right here and right here. When you drop the key fob or it bangs around a lot, what will happen is the soldered joint will break free of the lug that comes through here. Let's see if I can get it right up there for you. Okay, and there's 2 ways to see this. Now, if I was to move this back here and you could see it, you could actually see that center lug move. And you can see a dark ring around the lug, which is not as smooth like this one is. Nice and smooth around there. That means it's broke loose. So you'll get an intermittent use on it. It'll connect and unconnect. I'm going to share with you how to fix it without using any solder whatsoever. Alright, we're going to say that this is the terminal that comes through the circuit board. This is the solder around it. It's all soldered in nice. What you want to do, you may need a magnifying glass, like I said. Julio, tell everybody where all these awesome tools are going to be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Now, when you look with a magnifying glass, you'll see around this outer edge a black ring around the lug, around the terminal. That's telling you that this lug broke through. This terminal broke through there. It's no longer connected. Okay, we're going to use our cordless lithium powered soldering tool. We've got it turned on. The green light means it's ready to go. You see that lug's got solder all the way. That terminal right there is the terminal. All the way around it's nicely soldered. This one is not that way. This one is all chewed up right here. Keep your eyes peeled. See that? Now we're going to push it back in, just like that. Take our cordless soldering tool. Watch this. Just like that. She is now soldered back up, and usually you just touch it on the terminal and it'll do it for you right then. Done. Okay, now we'll try to push it back through. You can add more solder if you want and you like to solder. That's fine. That thing is in there like a rock. There's no moving it. You just saved yourself a boatload of money.